Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt Eccles. Today I'm going to talk about best ways to detox and cleanse naturally. Let's start with the first and one of the most important one. Sport and feed your liver. Stress, worry, and anger damage your liver. Liver is one of the most important organs which filter toxins and heavy metals. The sluggish liver does not work properly to get rid of the toxins efficiently. So stop eating greasy and oily foods. Stress less and get enough rest. Eat enough healthy foods and take beneficial herbs to heal and feed your liver. And the next one is sweat. Sweating aids in the removal of toxins and heavy metals from the body. Toxins are not only eliminated through the digestive system. Many toxic elements appear to be excreted preferentially through sweat. Sweating in a sauna is an excellent way to eliminate toxins through the skin. Once a week should be sufficient and beneficial. Drink lemon water. One of the most beneficial things you can do for your health is to have a well-functioning elimination system that allows your body to eliminate toxins through bowel movements on a regular basis. The longer you have digestive and constipation problems, the more toxic overload you'll experience, making you sick and tired. Try to drink 2 glasses of water when you wake up in the morning. I usually add a squeeze of a lemon to the second glass. Drinking lemon water stimulates your liver and colon, causing you to feel the need to use the restroom. After you feel relaxed and lighter, you can eat breakfast. In the long run, implementing this step will make you a healthier and happier person. Take a few deep breaths. The body can go for weeks without food and days without water, but only a few precious minutes without oxygen is not possible. Breath is the true source of life. Take a moment to concentrate on your breathing. Breathing more deeply and fully is essential for keeping the body's cleansing and detoxifying systems running smoothly. Eating junk food slows the body's natural detoxification process by introducing toxins and heavy metals in our bodies. We simply do not have the ability to eliminate toxins naturally. Stopping greasy, processed foods allows organs to naturally detox and heal us faster. If you want to look different and better from other people, stop eating fast food and start cooking your own meals. Herbal teas. You can enjoy a cup of warm tea with detoxifying ingredients like dandelion, burdock, and ginger. These teas are extremely beneficial to the liver and gallbladder. Stay away from sugar and table salt. Toxins in sugar and table salt slow down the body's natural detoxification capabilities and also slows down cell functioning and detox process. Eliminating sugar and table salt allows the body to cleanse and heal itself. Yoga. A good yoga routine can help you detox both your body and mind. There are numerous yoga poses and styles that promote stress relief and cleansing. The most popular types of yoga for body and mind are Hatha and Bikram yoga, also known as hot yoga. Meditate. When your stress levels are high, your body struggles to rid of itself of toxins, and detoxification naturally slows down. Meditation is an excellent way to reduce stress and anxiety, while also assisting your body in cleansing itself. Meditation on a regular basis boosts vitality and happiness. Juice cleanse. Taking a break from eating solid foods for a few days and only drinking green juice with organic green leafy vegetables is a great way to help your body detox naturally and effectively. Your digestive system takes a break and recovers itself. The extra nutrition from the green juice vitalizes, energizes, and rejuvenates your body and mind. Promote elimination through proper diet and hydration. Constipation and unusual bowel movement puts extra pressure to your digestive system. Eating enough fiber and drinking sufficient water is crucial to having regular and healthy bowel movements so your digestive system works properly. Improve your digestion. The weaker your digestive system, the more toxins your body accumulates due to toxins and parasites from undigested food. Avoid unhealthy food and start eating natural and nutritious food to boost your digestive system, along with adequate rest and lowering stress levels. Connect with nature. Be out and close to nature as much as possible. Breathe more fresh air. Indoors have more toxins and polluted air. The body has the ability to detoxify itself more efficiently when one spends time outside. Fresh air also increases appetite and strengthens the digestive system. If you don't have a chance to be out all the time, having a Himalayan salt lamp is a good option to clean the air inside your house and get rid of the toxins. It also looks great and a better replacement of a regular night lamp in your bedroom. Or you can buy some plants. Epsom salts and magnesium. Many people are deficient in magnesium these days, which causes many health symptoms from sleep to fatigue. Epsom salt has high amounts of this vital mineral and a great way to pull toxins from your body when used in the bath. Simply pour some in the water and soak in it. You're going to feel a sense of relaxation and sleep better. Zinc is a crucial mineral and many of us are deficient or low on this vital mineral. Zinc is needed for many bodily functions and getting rid of toxins efficiently is one of them. Adequate zinc levels are vital for us to digest our food better. Lack of zinc, however, is one of the main reasons why people are having digestive issues and less resistant to the stress which creates toxicity in the body and mind. So try to bring your zinc levels to normal by stressing less and eating healthy and nutritious food that have some zinc in them. Sleep and recover. One of my first and important advices that I can give you is to sleep well. Fix your sleep by forcing yourself to go to bed early and don't let anything to interrupt you from sleeping well. Sleeping enough is the main step to getting healthier and happier in this life. If body has no proper time to recover itself, it simply doesn't have the chance to heal yourself and organs. So the body won't be able to get rid of the toxins and will create further health problems such as weak digestion and immune system, which are the main causes of many illnesses. Massage. A great massage session is helpful to get rid of toxins and relieving some stress. There are some pressure points where toxins tend to build up, so a deep tissue massage is a good trick to give them a chance to release. Avoid secondhand smoke and pollution. Stay away from areas where people smoke a lot to avoid toxins from secondhand smoke. Don't drive or walk around the areas where there is a high pollution such as factories and polluted areas of the city. Herbs. Milk thistle, dandelion, and turmeric are one of the most important herbs known to support liver and offer great cleansing. Manage your stress. Take a long break from work to recover and balance your health. Give your body a chance to heal. Figure out what stresses you and cut them out from your life. Our bodies simply don't have enough energy to recover and naturally detox when body is under constant stress. Practice some of the stress relieving techniques that I mentioned to lower your stress levels such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing along with adequate rest. Last but not least, don't worry, have fun and be happy. Stop the unnecessary worries which weaken your body and mind. Do the things you love and have fun. From my experience, lack of fun creates toxicity in the body and also one of the main causes of adrenal fatigue and depression. I hope you found this video beneficial. I wish you better health, peace, harmony, vitality, and happiness. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.